Trade at eKitchens isn't an add-on, it's something we've built properly. It's designed for professionals who need consistency, reliability and support they can actually rely on. That's what eKitchens Trade's about. eKitchens Trade is for builders, cabinet makers or carpenters, renovators, installers and modular or transportable home companies. If you're managing multiple jobs, working to timelines or growing your workload, Trade gives you a manufacturing partner, not just a cabinet supplier. Our Trade program is structured, it's transparent and it's easy to work with. Approved Trade customers get access to our online ordering system, Trade pricing based on volume and support from a dedicated Trade account manager. Orders are placed online, manufactured in-house, checked through quality control and tracked through production, so you know exactly where your job's at. What really sets eKitchens Trade apart is support. Trade customers aren't left to figure things out on their own. We provide onboarding, training, clear processes and a direct point of contact who understands both the product and your business needs. As your volumes grow, your support and Trade pricing grow with you. Every Trade customer receives training so they're confident using our online ordering system. The goal is simple: fewer errors, smoother installs and better outcomes for you on site. All eKitchens cabinetry is manufactured in-house. We use advanced CNC machinery with full mortise and tenon construction as standard, experienced production staff and defined quality control checks at every stage. Because we control the entire process, we're able to maintain consistency and accuracy, even as volumes increase. Our Trade partners choose eKitchens because they know what to expect. Clear process, consistent reliability and real support. When your reputation depends on your suppliers, eKitchens Trade is built to stand behind you. eKitchens Trade, built for trade and backed by manufacturing. If you're ready to work with a partner who understands your business, visit our Trade page or get in touch with the eKitchens Trade team to start the conversation.